Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to part 2. In this video, we'll show you how to master the perfect pan-sear, explore classic and global flavor ideas, and add tasty sides and toppings to make your salmon burger a full, healthy meal. Once you mix your ingredients, form the patties and place them on a plate lined with parchment paper. Pop them into the fridge for at least 30 minutes before cooking. This chilling period allows the proteins to set and the breadcrumbs to hydrate. A cold patty hitting a hot pan stays together much better than one at room temperature. Mastering the perfect pan-sear and flavor profiles. Cooking a salmon burger is a sprint, not a marathon. Unlike beef, which can handle a lot of heat for a long time, salmon dries out quickly if you overdo it. You want to aim for a medium well finish where the center is still moist and slightly translucent. Generally, 3 to 4 minutes per side over medium-high heat is all it takes to get a golden brown exterior and a juicy middle. You will know the burger is ready to flip when it releases easily from the pan. If it sticks, give it another 30 seconds. Avoid pressing down on the patty with your spatula. This squeezes out the flavorful juices and leaves you with a dry piece of fish. If you have a meat thermometer, aim for an internal temperature of about 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 62 degrees Celsius. Classic seasoning and global flavor swaps. One of the best things about salmon is how it adopts different flavor profiles. If you like the classics, stick with lemon zest, fresh dill, and minced garlic. This bright flavor profile cuts through the richness of the fish perfectly. It is a safe bet for kids and picky eaters alike. If you are feeling adventurous, try some global variations to keep things interesting. The spicy kick. Fold in some sriracha or finely diced jalapenos and top with a lime cilantro mayo. The umami bomb. Use a splash of soy sauce, grated ginger, and toasted sesame oil in the mix. The Mediterranean. Add chopped sun-dried tomatoes, feta cheese, and dried oregano. Healthy side dishes and topping ideas. The toppings define the burger experience. Skip the standard ketchup and mustard for something that complements the seafood. A ripe avocado provides a creamy texture that matches the salmon beautifully. Pickled red onions add a sharp, vinegary crunch that balances the fat. For the sauce, a simple remoulade made with mayo, capers, and lemon juice is a timeless choice. When looking for side dishes, keep it light to match the theme of the meal. Sweet potato fries are a fantastic option because their natural sweetness pairs well with the savory salmon. A crisp kale salad with a lemon vinaigrette or a simple cucumber and radish slaw provides a refreshing contrast. If you want to skip the bun, you can serve the patty over a bed of quinoa or arugula for a low-carb alternative. Making a salmon burger at home is a simple way to elevate your weekly menu while sticking to your health goals. It is a versatile dish that rewards a little bit of prep work with a lot of flavor. By choosing quality fish, using the right binders, and not overcooking the meat, you can create a restaurant-quality meal in your own kitchen. Next time you are at the grocery store, skip the frozen pre-made patties and grab a fresh fillet instead. Try experimenting with a new topping like a spicy fruit salsa or a zesty herb aioli this week. Your taste buds and your heart will certainly thank you for the change of pace. Just remember to keep the heat high and the cook time short for the best results. And that's a wrap for part 2. You've learned how to cook juicy, flavorful salmon burgers and make them a complete, delicious dinner. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.